Hey there, and welcome to Echospeak English. Have you ever wanted to just explore a new city, but you're a little worried about getting lost? Well, today we are going to fix that.
I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? You're standing in this amazing new place, everything is beautiful, but your map just looks like a bunch of scribbles. But hey, don't worry, by the end of this, you'll be navigating like you've lived there your whole life.
Okay, so here's the plan. It's super simple. We're going to learn the most important words and phrases you need to ask for directions, and, just as important, to actually understand the answers you get back. So, let's dive right in.
All right, first things first. We've got to build up our direction vocabulary. These are the words you absolutely have to know.
Okay, look at these 4 words. Seriously, these are going to be your new best friends. Let's say them out loud together. Ready? Left, right, and straight. Awesome. Trust me, you're going to hear these constantly.
Okay, now let's add a few more super useful ones. To describe where something is. Is it near or is it far? Is it on a street or a road? See? These little words make a huge difference in getting you where you need to go.
And if you want to get really specific, these are the words you need. For example, is the coffee shop next to the bookstore? Is the park in front of the big museum? Or maybe it's behind that tall building. These words will help you pinpoint exactly where something is.
Awesome job. So now you've got the basic building blocks, the words. Let's put them together and make some powerful phrases that will unlock the city for you.
Okay, these 2 phrases right here, these are your golden tickets for getting help from anyone. Let's practice the first one. I'll say it, then you repeat it right after me, okay? Excuse me, where is the bank? Go ahead, say it. Perfect, you sound great.
So, you ask the question. What are you going to hear back? Let's practice the most common answers so you'll recognize them right away. Repeat after me, okay? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Excellent. Now you're ready to actually follow the directions they give you.
A lot of the time, people will give you a little extra clue, a landmark to look for. They'll say something like this. Let's practice this one together so it sounds familiar. Ready? It's near the supermarket. Perfect. Now you'll know what to listen for.
And now, for maybe the most important phrase of the entire day. Being polite goes a long, long way. Let's all say this one together, nice and clear. Thank you for your help. Wonderful. That's a phrase everyone loves to hear. Okay, you've got the words, you've got the phrases. Now for the really fun part. Let's see how this all clicks together in a real-life conversation.
So, picture this. This is you. You walk up to a friendly stranger and you say, "Excuse me, where is the train station?" And they smile and say, "Go straight and turn right. It's next to the bank." And just like that, you did it. You asked, you understood the answer. It really is that simple.
So how do you finish up? Simple. You say, "Thank you very much," and they'll say, "You're welcome." And there you have it. You've just had a successful conversation and found your way in English. That's a huge win.
And just like that, you are ready to go. It's time to take these new skills out into the world and just explore with confidence. Seriously, no more getting lost for you.
Okay, pop quiz, your turn. Using what you just learned, how would you ask someone to find the museum? Go ahead, think about it for a second. Did you get it? I bet you did. It's, "Excuse me, where's the museum?" See, you're a total pro at this already.
So, I've got a question for you. If you could be in any new city right now, what's the very first place you'd want to find? Maybe a really cool coffee shop, a famous landmark, whatever it is, with the phrases you learned today, you can find it. The world is really out there waiting for you to explore.
Well, that's it for today. I really hope you had a good time learning with us. If you want to keep getting better and better at English, make sure you subscribe to Echospeak English so you don't miss out on all our new stuff. We'll see you next time. Happy travels!